Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. Now in today's video, what I'm going to be talking about, Ampleforth as well as Ampleforth governance token. So I'm going to give you guys a better definition, and I'm going to try to clear up what I said in the last video. I'm going to make this better. So guys, like, subscribe, and comment with post notifications turned on. And yeah, let's get into this video. First thing first, let me tell you exactly what is Ampleforth, and I'm going to leave such a definition to my friend Ryan.
What is Ampleforth? Ampleforth is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency with an algorithmically adjusted circulating supply. It is designed to be the base money of the new decentralized economy by providing an asset that cannot be diluted by supply inflation and remains decoupled to the price action of other cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular. With Ampleforth, token holders own a fixed fraction of the total AMPL circulating supply rather than a fixed number of tokens. When the protocol detects that the price of AMPL is too high, it increases the circulating supply, whereas the supply is decreased if the price is too low. This change is propagated to all Ampleforth wallets, which have their wallet balance adjusted proportionally. Irrespective of this change, AMPL holders will still retain the same percentage of the token supply. This automatic supply adjustment process is known as a rebase and occurs once each day, with a positive rebase if the price goes above $1.06 and a negative rebase if it is below 96 cents. The overall goal of the system is to create incentives that drive the market price of AMPL back to $1.
Great. So now that we have Ampleforth cleared up, let's get the definition of the Ampleforth governance token.
Ampleforth AMPL, a rebasing cryptocurrency protocol that claims to be a resilient building block for DeFi and traditional finance projects, has rolled out a governance token dubbed Forth. Like all governance tokens, the Ampleforth team says Forth will give holders the right to vote on key parameter changes in the ecosystem, while also functioning as a tool with which members of its community use to steer the continued evolution of Ampleforth. As AMPL matures, it's important that the governance system continues to decentralize as well. Today we're excited to announce another major milestone in Ampleforth's journey. Forth, the Ampleforth governance token is now live. Where AMPL represents an independent currency that functions as a unit of account, Forth is the governing mechanism that oversees its evolution, declared Ampleforth.
So that is basically it for Ampleforth as well as Ampleforth governance token. I really hope you did enjoy this video. So make sure to smash the like button, make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on. And if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Keep cryptoing. Whiteboard Wealth signing out.